clicking the Infuse Stainless Double, which is actually the pink, the lighter pink. So I'm just going to create the exact same product but for the darker pink. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this one here. And I'm going to click this duplicate button because this is going to help us make sure we have all the data that we need. So I'm going to duplicate. And when I duplicate, I'm creating a configurable product, so it's going to make me select our options. So what I want to do is I'm going to click color, clasp size, and size. I'm not going to do number of strings. I'm going to click continue. Now it's going to copy exactly the information, so we are going to need to change it a little bit. I'm going to leave the title the same because it is the stainless double, but I'm going to say it's the double dark pink. And I'm going to put that in both things here, both description and short description. The SKU double dark pink. And then whatever the SKU is, you'll need to decide. I'm going to enable this, leave everything else the same. On the left-hand side, let's come here, make sure the pricing is in order, yes. Make sure tax is set to taxable goods, yes. Now I'm going to make these images, so I'm going to actually be removing these particular images because these are the lighter pink. I'm going to browse for my files. Now you'll need to find the proper images. This is our image here. So I'm going to select this one and I'm going to upload. Now what I'm going to do is make sure that this image is set to our base, small, and thumbnail. Please select the same image for all three, and you have to do this each time. Now I'm going to come down to my inventory tab and I'm going to select in stock. Okay. Categories. These should carry over from the previous product, but if you did want to change, you have the ability to do so here. For this particular product, we have it set to women, and then the parent company or the parent category of unique and distinct bullet bracelets. When you have more categories, we're going to be adding the strings and the color, single and pink or whatever it is. You would just make sure that you select all the categories where you want it to show up. Okay, but for right now I'm just going to leave it like this. At this point I want to go ahead and click save and continue edit. Okay, so what we did was we created our parent product. So now we have to go in and create individual products. What that means is just basically size and color combinations. The left hand side, the very last option is called associated products. We're going to quickly create these. I'm going to go ahead and unclick this by the SKU because I'm going to put the size next to each SKU number. So your SKU, this is going to be for the size 6 Infuse Stainless Double Dark Pink product. And then your weight I'm putting in as 0.35 pounds. Status enabled. Visibility not visible individual. Please make sure that is not visible individually. Your color, we are choosing dark pink. Your size, for this size, we're choosing size 6. And your clasp size, we're choosing 9mm. If you have a difference, you just choose the right size. Your quantity, we're putting in 1,000 because we weren't provided with inventory amounts, but for now we're just doing 1,000. I'm going to click Quick Create. Once this is done, you'll see that it automatically assigns this product to this configurable, and you'll see the layout here. So I'm going to keep going. I'm going to do 6.5. You have to do this every time. The reason for that is just the way that it saves to the database. So just keep doing it. Just make sure you change the SKU. It won't let you have duplicate SKUs. So Quick Create. Okay, and I'm going to do size 7. 7.5. Whoops. 9mm stock. $8.5. Finally, size 9, dark pink, size 9, 9mm. Click create. Now once that's done, just make sure you hit all of them, 6, 6.5, all the way up to 9. If you did have a difference in 9mm or 22mm, you'd have to create more of these simple products. But for right now, we're just using the other products as an example. So when I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And I'm going to come back to the main site. And you'll see that product was now created. Okay, and you'll see the options here.